flying into the Newark Liberty International Airport. Right now we're about 65 miles out from the field. Should be touching down there at about 1:30. That should get us up to the gate at 1:35. Latest weather conditions, high scattered clouds, temperature 34 degrees centigrade or 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds out of the northwest, 15 to 20 miles an hour. Seatbelt sign is turned on if you're up and about like that. Do return your seats, make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. We parked today on gate 135, that's gate 135 in the C terminal. On behalf of all of us here at Continental, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We look forward to serving you again on a future flight. So long and have a nice day.
On behalf of Continental Airlines, co-chair partners United, Lufthansa, and Air Canada, those members of the Star Lines, most importantly, Captain Doodle and his Newark-based crew, welcome to Newark Liberty International Airport. Local time is approximately 1:33 p.m. Continue to remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have arrived at our gate. Captain will indicate our arrival by turning the seatbelt sign on. When he does so, this will indicate it's safe for you to unfasten your seatbelt, collect your carrying articles, and exit the aircraft. We ask you to use caution when retrieving articles from the overhead bins, as they do tend to shift during flight and landing. Also, we ask you to check around your immediate seating area and ensure you take everything with you. Anything you leave on board may be confiscated by local customs officials. Again, Newark is your first port of entry in the United States, therefore everyone, local immigration and customs, please return your passport and documentation. After you exit the aircraft and into the immigration hall, that will be required of you by the officials. Once finished with the immigration formalities, you will descend to the customs hall, where it is necessary to collect all of your luggage prior to processing through customs. After you have finished with the customs formalities, there will be Continental representatives that can respond to any questions you may have concerning connecting flights, information regarding the airport or the local area. It is also at this point that if you are connecting, you will leave your baggage for your continuation. Please remember that if you purchased anything liquid that does not meet the liquid requirements and you are continuing, you will need to ensure that is placed in your checked luggage prior to processing through security for your next flight. We are arriving in Terminal C. Majority of Continental Airlines flights depart out of Terminal C. We also have flights departing from Terminal A. There is a free monorail service that transits between all three terminals. Should you have questions on how to arrive or where your flight is departing, don't hesitate to ask any of the representatives. Cell phone use will be permitted, however. I must remind you that the use of cell phones or photographic equipment in the immigration and customs hall is strictly forbidden, and any machine found in use can be confiscated. I'd like to take this last opportunity to thank you for flying with us. We wish you a pleasant stay here in Newark or wherever your travels may be. Thank you. Have a great rest of your weekend. And a wonderful afternoon.
Herzlich willkommen in Newark International Airport. Lokale Zeit 13:35 Uhr. Bitte bleiben Sie angeschnallt sitzen, bis das Flugzeug geparkt ist. Der Kapitän das Anschnallzeichen ausschaltet. Dann vergewissern Sie sich, dass Sie nichts vergessen haben von Gepäckstücken, die Sie mit an Bord gebracht haben. Seien Sie vorsichtig bei den offenen beobachteten Gepäckfächern. Die Gegenstände haben sich verschoben während der Landung. Alle Passagiere auf diesem Flug müssen Immigration und den Zoll passieren. Sie müssen Ihre Gepäckstücke annehmen und den Zoll passieren. Wenn Sie einen Weiterflug heute haben, nach der Zollhalle auf der linken Seite können Sie Ihr Gepäck weiterführen, bevor Sie sich zu Ihrem Gate begeben. Die meisten Flüge von Continental Airlines fliegen von Terminal C ab. Sie werden in Terminal C parken. Das ist die Ankunft- und Abflughalle von den meisten internationalen und Domestic-Flügen von Continental Airlines. Doch einige Flüge fliegen von Terminal A ab. Sehen Sie sich an die Monitore, bevor Sie sich zu den Gates begeben. Die Terminals sind mit einer Schwebebahn verbunden, die heißt Monorail. Der Weg dorthin ist beschrieben. Wenn Sie heute einen Weiterflug haben und etwas von Duty Free gekauft haben, dann gewissern Sie sich, dass in Ihr Abführgepäck zu verstauen